This is problem 5 in the 2.8 homework set, and we are going to use the TI calculator to help graph a scatter plot and then to find a line of best fit. We need to start by determining what my independent variable is and what my dependent variable is. It tells me that he recorded daily soft drink sales in gallons and the average daily temperature. So we would suspect that soft drink sales are dependent on temperature. So temperature, T, will be my independent variable, and soft drink sales, G, will be my dependent variable. To enter these ordered pairs of data, I go to the Stat button, and I want the Edit menu, which it's already selected, so I just hit Enter. And then I'm going to type in all the T values in L1, and I'm going to type all the G values in L2. L1 just stands for list 1, and L2 stands for list 2. So I'm going to type in 53, 54. The one negative about using the TI calculator is that you could mistype and have a data entry error. But that could happen entering it on a Excel sheet or some other statistical program as well. It's nice when you're able just to upload the data. I've got all my T values, and then I used my right arrow key right here to get to the second list, and I want to make sure I pair them up correctly. So the soft drink sales are 25 gallons when the temperature's 53. So 25 goes here, and then I can just keep hitting enter and enter all the soft drink sales in gallons information, just stopping every once in a while to make sure I'm doing it correctly. Looks good so far. Got 3 more. Feel free to pause the video and open your calculator if you have one and practice these. So now I have the data entered. The first thing it asks me to do is plot the data and pick the scatter plot. So what I need to do is stat plot, which is right here above the y equals. So I'm going to hit second, y equals, and then I'm going to hit enter to enter this first plot. It's on. This first graph is what I want. That's a scatter plot. There are other types of graphs you can draw. My X list is in L1. My Y list is in L2. This just tells me what I want the dots to look like. And so I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm just going to hit graph. Looks like my window wasn't great. All my data points showed up over here. So let's go to my window. My X min is 53 and my X max is 98. So let's do 50 to 100. And counting by tens. Looks like they're counting by 5. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Looks like they're counting by 5. So I'm going to also count by 5s. So change my X scale to 5. And then my soft drink sales looks like they're starting at 20. Just going to steal their values, and they're ending at 130. And it looks like they're counting by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 by tens. So I'm going to change my Y scale to count by tens. Now I'm going to hit graph again. That looks better. So it looks like it's choice A. They're all increasing. Great. Does there appear to be a linear trend? Is there an exact linear fit? There does appear to be a linear trend, but it does not mean it's exact. And then it says draw a line of best fit through 2 points. So we're going to look for 66.54 and 84.99. So 50, 55, 60, 65. So this looks like 66, 54, 70, 75, 80, 85. Looks like this one. And they want me to determine the slope. So I'm going to have 99 minus 54, which will give me 45, over 84 minus 66. Which is 18. So I said 45 divided by 18, which is 2.5, and it says type an integer or decimal, so that's fine. I don't need to have a fraction. And it says, what is the equation of the line through those points? So to find that equation of a line, I need to pick one of the points and find the equation. I'm going to take a slight drift from this and show you the line of best fit. I'm going to go to Stat, and then I'm going to go to Calc. Use my right arrow key to go to Calc. These instructions are in your book as well. And I'm going to scroll down to LinReg AX plus B. LinReg AX plus B and hit Enter. And everything looks great. My X values are in those lists. I don't change anything else, and I hit Calculate. And it looks like my best fit line, see how it says y equals AX plus B? They're using A for slope. 2.2589 is the slope, and the y-intercept is negative 92.14. That is the best fit line. Notice that the one we're approximating over here has a slope of 2.5. I hope that gives you an idea of how to use this to find the line of best fit. We'll talk more about finding the equation of the line in class.